Hello everyone, this is Raymond Lee of Raymond's Dental Solutions. Today, I'll be discussing Yoshida CO2 laser, the Opelaser Pro II, and its effective pain control during and after dental procedures. The Opelaser Pro II is a cutting-edge dental technology offering many benefits for dentists and patients. One of the key advantages is its effective pain control. The Opelaser Pro II is engineered to vaporize tissue precisely and quickly, reducing the amount of heat and trauma that is transferred to the surrounding tissue. This results in less pain, swelling, and discomfort compared to traditional surgical techniques. But that's not all. The Opelaser Pro II also stimulates the production of endorphins, which is the body's natural painkillers. This means that patients may experience less pain and discomfort both during and after the procedure, making it a more comfortable experience overall. The Opelaser Pro II's advanced technology provides precise and accurate treatments, leading to quicker healing and recovery times. This means patients can return to their normal activities much faster than with traditional surgical techniques. The effective pain control of the Opelaser Pro II can be especially important for patients who are anxious about dental procedures or for those who may be more sensitive to pain. By minimizing discomfort during the procedure, patients are likely to feel more relaxed and the procedure may be completed more efficiently. In summary, the Opelaser Pro II dental CO2 laser offers a revolutionary way to perform dental procedures with less pain and discomfort. Its advanced pain control technology and fast recovery time make it an excellent choice for dentists and patients alike. So, if you are looking for a dental laser that can help minimize pain and discomfort during your next dental procedure, consider Yoshida CO2 laser, the Opelaser Pro II. Thank you so much for watching.